Jason here from Electric Bike Technologies, and today I'm going to tell you in this video about error 24. So if you've come to us and you said, I have error 24, this video is going to show you what it is and how to get rid of it. Error 24 has to do with the front motor, okay? And it has to do with a couple of wires in here called phase wires. And if they ever short, you're going to get an error 24, or if there's a Hall effect sensor problem, you may get error 24. Now, 9.9 times out of 10, this is the solution. You're going to look on the cable here. You're going to look for any kind of damage. If you don't have damage, you're going to look to this connector. If this connector is not fully seated, this connector looks like this inside. There's actually 8 contacts in there. There's 3 here, and then if you look really closely, there's 5 on the outside. The 3 in the middle are called phase, and the 5 on the outside are Hall effect. This has an arrow on it. You want to pull that apart, and you want to push it together snug the whole way, and that's going to solve error 24 9 out of 10 times. Now, I'll show you, just for sake of the video. We'll plug this in, and it won't be plugged in all the way, and we'll start the screen. And you're going to see right away error 24 blinking right there. Now, even if I plug this in while doing this video just like that, the error 24 will stop. Okay? So that's what it's going to be. A lot of times if you're transporting or something like that, this can turn or whatever, it's pulled and it's zip tied, it can pull it away. So it's either going to be that, or it's going to be some kind of damage here, so you want to inspect for that. So that's error 24. It's just about getting this snug. If it still continues after that, we can talk about it. Maybe it's something a little deeper, but 9.9 times out of 10, that's error 24, and that's it.